हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सभी का MCTI के एक और नए वीडियो में, जिसमें आज हम लोग कवर करने वाले हैं सेशन नंबर 42। चलिए फटाफट से शुरू करते हैं अपने नॉलेज चेक के साथ। यहाँ हम आ चुके हैं अपने फर्स्ट नॉलेज चेक में। टोटल 5 क्वेश्चन है। हाउ डज रिफाइनिंग अ प्रॉम्प्ट अफेक्ट द आउटकम विद अ चैटबॉट? Encourages a more detailed and in-depth exploration. Rohit contacts a customer service bot about a defective product. What interactive prompt might he receive first? I'm here to help. Do you have the product ID or order number? Why is precision important in written prompts for AI? It helps AI understand the exact output desired. Why do visual prompts work effectively? People naturally react to visual informations. What is the primary role of prompts in AI interaction? To serve as a foundation for understanding user inputs. सेशन 42 के सेकंड नॉलेज चेक में 4 क्वेश्चंस हैं। इसमें कहा है कि द एबिलिटी फॉर चैटबॉट टू प्रोवाइड रेलेवेंट रिस्पॉन्सेज डिपेंड्स ऑन इट्स अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ द यूजर्स प्रीवियस इंटरैक्शंस एंड ऑनगोइंग इवेंट्स. What type of response might a chatbot provide to match a user's needs more accurately? Varying responses including images, graphs, or links. Soft prompts in AI are categorized by creativity and openness. The adoption of AI in agriculture aims to promote efficient resource use and enhance crop production. थर्ड नॉलेज चेक में एक ही क्वेश्चन है. Copilot 365 can integrate multiple applications primarily due to cloud integration. What makes Adobe Firefly unique in AI-driven creativity? It generates images and text effects using AI. How does Adobe Firefly enhance image customization by allowing real-time AI-powered modifications? यहाँ हम सारे नॉलेज चेक खत्म करके आ चुके हैं अपने सेशन कंप्लीशन टेस्ट की तरफ. टोटल 10 क्वेश्चन है. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में कहा है कि इन अ लाइब्रेरी सिस्टम द डिटेल्स बुक ID 101 टाइटल द डिस्कवरी ऑफ इंडिया ऑथर जवाहरलाल नेहरू are shown together based on the data organization hierarchy. What does this complete set of details represent? A record. Aryan creates separate student and teacher tables in a school database, which two actions demonstrate the proper use of database. Linking the student and teacher tables to show relationships and storing multiple related tables in one database. In a grocery inventory table, item name is written at the top of a column and items like rice, wheat and sugar are listed below it. In data organization, what does the heading item name represent? A field. Rahul wants to upgrade his gaming website's data storage. He currently uses a single table but has been advised to move a database. Which 2 points correctly describe the benefits of upgrading to a database? Database manages large structured data efficiently. Database can store multiple related tables. Which examples show raw data being processed into meaningful information? Calculating a class average from students' marks and generating a monthly electricity bill from meter readings. An e-commerce startup wants to store millions of customer orders. The manager suggests keeping all the data in a single text file instead of a database to keep things simple. Is this an effective method for managing large volumes of data? No, because databases organize data into related tables for easy search. A school stores details such as student name, age, and roll number in a table. For a student named Aditi, these details together form one record based on this. Which two statements are correct? So Aditi's name, age, and roll number form one complete entry. Student name and age are fields in the record. When Rahul is entered in the name column of the table, what does it represent in data organization? A field. Rohan uses a digital wallet app and sees 5,000 rupees as his balance on the screen. However, the app stores detailed transaction on data on its servers. Which statement correctly describes these two views? The 5,000 balance is the logical view, server storage is the physical view. Lastly, कहा है कि Kirti is organizing her school sports day. She has 200 phone numbers but no names or event details. What should she do to make this data useful for contacting participants? Organize the number in a table with names and event details. इसी के साथ आपका सेशन 42 के सेशन कंप्लीशन के सारे क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे हो चुके हैं खत्म, और सेशन 42 भी. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम लेकर आएंगे सेशन नंबर 43. तो तब तक के लिए बने रहिए हमारे साथ. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.